Why does only God give us one chance? Why not any second chances? Why can't we come back in the form of reincarnation, for example? First of all, there is no one human being whom God gives him one chance only. The hadith tells us that God gives you tens, hundreds, and in fact thousands of chances before your time's up on life. Even those young people, even if you see someone who dies young, God gave you many chances. You did not take those chances. That's number one. Number two, the Quran tells us that if you were to bring back the evildoers back to this life, they would do the same exact thing. وَلَوْ رُدُّوا لَعَادُوا لِمَا نُهُوا عَنْهُ. If God were to bring the tyrants and the evil ones back to this life and give them a long life, maybe the first day they'll act good and nice, but then once their desire overpowers them, they go back to their evil ways. So, in one word, there's no point in bringing you back. If you are the type of person whom allows his heart to accept the faith, you'll do it once in this life before you leave. God will give you that chance. And if you're the type of person who's stubborn, who will reject God, who will be oppressive with people, even if you come back 30 times, 40 times, 50 times, you'll do the same thing. Saddam Hussein, the evil ruler of Iraq, he killed millions of people through his wars, through his tortures, through his prisons. I can speak for hours about what he would do to innocent people. You'd imagine he would learn, right? He would take second chances. Till the last day of his life, he did not apologize. Till the last day of his life. He believed what he did was correct. So if he were to die 1 billion times and come back to life 1 billion times, he would still insist on his position. So there's no point in coming back again. One life is enough. And the hadith says, God will not take your life until you've either passed the test or you failed it and you will continue failing it. The hujjah of God is enough for us.